What is good, YouTube, and to my card world family? It is your guy once again, Udell 12, aka Bubba. And guys, I am back with another quick unboxing or unpacking and card unboxing, card unpacking, or 10 unpacking. As you can see, guys, I have the 2020 baseball Topps 2020 baseball series 1. We got Vlad Jr. on the front. And I've had this 10. I've had this for a little bit, and I'm just getting around to doing a review on it. And I'm kind of able to catch it once they first start dropping these 10s. So I end up grabbing the Vlad Jr. Before we get into this, guys, I just like to thank my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, and without Him, guys, I am nothing. And also, guys, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. I always show you thumbs up button for your boy, and also smash that notification bell for upcoming videos. So let's get back to the Topps 2020 Baseball Series 110 here, and let's go over some of the details here. I've already cut to save the time, and I know y'all. I try to already have this stuff pre-sliced before we get into there, so you won't have to hear all the ripping and wrapping out of there. But on the plastic here, it shows you get 75 cards per 10, one exclusive chrome decades best insert. You get 5 of the turkey red inserts, one chrome turkey red insert, 2020 card. So we're gonna definitely get into it, and I wanna definitely curious to see what the 10s consist of and how better the 10s will be compared to getting the blasters, or the mega boxes, or the hanger packs. So this is the inside of your 10 here. Just gonna be packed. The basic 10, you can store cards. Be a good spot to restore your cards in, your exclusive cards and inserts. So that's your 10 here. I'm gonna set that right there. Right there. Adjust my camera for you guys. All right, so it's that rattling I was telling y'all about. Probably let me pull this all out here. And what we'll do, I'll just go with a stack here. And we'll just go through some of these pretty quick. I'm not gonna try to read all the names and keep the video time down. So we're gonna go through here, and I'll just stick them, all to the side. So there we go. There. DS. Chapman. Smith. That's Jacoby Jones. Turner. Sorry guys, I'm trying to hold it where you guys can see it. Yeah, it's a rain card. It's pretty crazy. So these cards are like upside crown. So, and in all the Topps 2020 10s that you see, they have someone different on the front. I seen with I think it was Trout. You got Vlad Jr. I've seen most of these 10s, but it's what else did I see? Aaron Judd and etc. They got different guys on there, so just depending on who you want to grab. I thought it was pretty neat. And there's a Steven Strasburg 2019 World Series. Nice. I don't think it's a number or anything. Nice. Let's put that right there. Let's see. I need to get some more Ronald Acuna Jr.'s. Definitely need those. I'm gonna put the rookies right here in the middle. Overshit. Tim Anderson. And Machado. This one here, that's pretty cool. Next decade, 2020. That Collins rookie. And here's a Turkey Reds. Let's see. Alonzo. I'll just put these right here in the middle. First. And then Buster Posey. Hoskins. Hoskins there. Oh, man, that's a nice one. The decade's best. Ken Griffey Jr., guys. That's pretty sweet. 1990s decade's best batters. And then, let's see, how we'll cover that card. But that's pretty dope insert there. See the back of that. Nice. That's pretty dope right here, guys. Got like a hollow look to a hologram. Kind of reflector. It's sweet. Gonna sleeve this boy, this guy up here. My guy King Griffith Jr. right there. That was straight beast. Just sit there right there. Let's go to the next one. Can't see. There's your chrome here. See, the bottom was pretty sweet. Nice. Let's leave that chrome up. It's pretty cool. It looks like a Legends card. There's a Mark. Oh, excuse me. There's a Mark McGuire. It's pretty cool. Some more rookie cards here. Future Stars. Nice. Alright, so let's go to the next deck. Keep going here. It's a rookie, Austin Nola. See these. See.
At the age of 65, something happened in his life.
Let's see here. So we Paddock here. Blanco. Santana. Even Longoria. Oh man. Muncie. Manny. Being Manny. I guess I'll just hit there. Zach Wheeler. Liam. Gamble. Sterling. Sweet card there. Meadows. Brian Brown. Berto. And there you have it. So, not bad for the top 10s. Couple of sweet cards I got out of there. The Turkey Red Chrome here. And then we got the refractor. King Griffey Jr. I'm assuming that's the refractor. Let's see. Chrome decades. Well, chrome insert. Decades best insert. So that's pretty cool, man. Just it's what the Topps, how they call it, the decade's best insert, chrome insert. And we got the turkey red chrome. Those are pretty cool. And we got some rookie cards here, and a couple of other insert cards. So yeah, not bad, man, for the Topps 2020 10 with Vlad on there. Don't know if everybody's gonna get that because it's in that Vlad case. I'm sure they're not gonna be the same, but definitely, guys, they're definitely at your local, stores, your Walmarts. I think Walmart. I haven't seen any. I think they have them at Target, but Walmart is where I pick mine up. But definitely go out and check these out, man. They're pretty cool. So you guys, let me know down in the comment section below. Definitely let me know how you guys did on your guys' tens. Definitely subscribe to the channel, man. I got other videos I hadn't posted, guys. I've already recorded. I got to get those up for you guys. So definitely like, comment, subscribe, man. I'm gonna sign out here, guys. This has been Udell 12, aka Bubba. This is the Bubba Files Lego.